Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you this funny project. When I asked my sons what next car they want me to build for them, they were watching the Cars movie and both said Matter. And this is the result. It is fully 3D printed except the rope, bearings and screws and some magnets for eyes and mouth. Whole model is printed from PLA except tires and mirror holders that are printed from soft TPU. I didn't want to make just another car, so I added as much functionality as possible. Matter has hand-off gut steering that allows player to easily drive the car around and pendular suspension for better performance. The hook is also fully functional and can be locked in position when towing vehicle, or by pulling it out it can be unlocked for free unwinding. All 6 wheels can be unmounted using simple nut. This was must-have because my son loves changing wheels. What was the biggest success for me was to add changeable look of Matter. This can be achieved by changing eyes and mouth. In future, I want to add changeable hood too. For those who don't like stationary models, Matter can be built as RC driven by printing some extra parts and using cheap electronics. It's very fun to drive it around the house and tow some vehicles. Whole car is very durable and even my 2-year-old son wasn't able to destroy it yet, which is a huge success for me. And the best part of this model, it's free. It's free to download and build. Only thing I would like to ask you for is to consider subscription, add a like or comment to my video. I hope that you will have same fun with the model as I did building it. Thank you for watching.